Hey guys, if you want to start a business from your home, the key is to find something you want to sell and just get started. Don't worry about making it perfect right away because when you're just starting out, it's normal not to have everything figured out. However, you should look at offering quality goods at competitive prices. That way, people will want to buy from you. Remember that with any startup business idea, it's important to learn the market you want to sell in. Think about how much you'll charge for your product and how you'll tell people about your business. In this video, I'll be showing you 30 easy handmade business ideas you can start at home. You won't need a lot of money to begin your own business with these ideas. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello and thanks for stopping by. Please remember to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family to help me with the YouTube algorithm. My recommendation is that you start any 5 ideas to start off. Just start with a little investment at first. You can sell on Amazon, Etsy, Shopify or TikTok. Okay, let's dive right in. Number 1 is bookmarks. Materials needed are coloured paper or cardstock, scissors or markers. Cut a strip of paper or cardstock about 2 inches wide and 6 to 8 inches long. Decorate the bookmark with drawings, quotes or sticks. Then laminate the bookmark for durability. Number 2 is crochet handbags. Materials are crochet hook, yarn of your choice, buttons or zips for closures, yarn needle. Just choose your crochet pattern. A simple rectangular bag is a good start. Crochet the front and back panels of the bag. Crochet the sides and bottom, joining them to the panels. Then add a button or zipper for closure. Number 3 is growing crystals. You need Epsom salt, water, glass or plastic container, string, pencil or popsicle stick. Boil water and stir in Epsom salt until it no longer dissolves. Let the solution cool to room temperature. Tie a piece of string to a pencil or popsicle stick, leaving the other end in the solution. Place the container where it will not be disturbed. Crystals start to form on the string over several days to weeks. When satisfied with the crystal growth, remove from the solution and let them dry. Number 4 is wooden signs. Just sand and smooth a piece of wood, then paint or stain the wood with various designs or messages. Number 5 is cosmetic bags. Cut your fabric into 2 identical rectangles, sew 3 sides together, leaving one side open. Turn it right side out and add a zipper or button for closure. Number 6 is pet toys. Cut and sew fabric into fun shapes. Fill with stuffing or catnap for cats or squeakies or dogs. Number 7 are stickers. Design stickers on a computer, print them on a sticky paper, cut them out and apply as desired. Number 8, custom labels. Design custom labels on a computer, print them on label paper, cut and apply to product or packages. Number 9, personalized keychains. Choose a keychain base, metal, leather or plastic. Add a name or design with paint, markers or vinyl decals. Number 10 is wedding invitations. Design invitations on a computer, print on high quality paper, add embellishments like ribbons or wax seals. Number 11, plant hangers. Cut your cord into desired length. Use basic knots to create a hanger shape. Add a plant pot in the center. Number 12, dried flowers. Get fresh flowers such as roses, daisies or lavender. Make sure they are free from moisture. Trim the stems of the flowers to your desired length. Leave a few inches for handling. Put a few flowers together by their stems, creating a small bouquet. Use a piece of string or twine to tie the stems of bouquet together tightly. Leave enough string at the top of the hanging. Place in a dark, dry place to hang upside down for about 1 to 2 weeks. Once flowers are are dry, carefully remove them from the string. Use your dried flowers for various crafts, decorations, or even pot puree. Number 13 is phone cases. Decorate a clear phone case with paint, stickers by gluing coloured paper cutouts onto it in combination with special paint effects, gold leaf and other decorative elements. Number 14 is crochet blankets. Choose a crochet pattern and yarn. Follow the pattern to crochet a blanket. Number 15 are curtains. Measure and cut fabric to your desired length. Hem the edges and add a rod pocket. 16. Tie-dye clothing. Choose clothing items. Use rubber bands to create patterns and then apply dye in colours of your choice. Number 17 is pottery. Shape clay into pottery items, then fire them in a kiln or bake them in an oven depending on the clay type. 18. Drink coasters. Cut and decorate board or wood pieces, sew with a protect finish. Number 19. Art paintings. Create artwork with acrylic, watercolour, etc. on canvas or paper. Number 20. Neon signs. Purchase neon tubing and shape it into your desired design. Connect it to a power source. Number 21. Candles. Melt wax, add fragrance and dye, then simply pour into candle molds with wick. Number 22. Bath salts. Mix Epsom salt, sea salt and essential oils together, then package in jars or bags. Number 23. Headscarves. Choose your fabric and sew fabric into a scarf shape or use a large square. Number 24. Hair accessories. Decorate hairpins, clips or bands with beads, fabric or other material. Number 25. Bracelets. String beads or knots onto jewellery, cord or wire. 26 is incense. Simply mix dried herbs and resin, then roll into incense stick or cones. Number 27. Engraved pocket knives. Purchase your small pocket knives and engrave designs or names onto them. Number 28. Clothing labels. Design labels and print them on fabric or order custom labels. 29 is plushies. Sew fabric into plush toy shape, fill with your stuffing and sew close. Last but not least is number 30, which is slime. You will need white school glue, liquid laundry detergent, food colouring, which is optional, mixing bowl, spoon or craft stick, or some white school glue into a mixing bowl. The ratio is part 1 glue to part 1 liquid laundry detergent. Add a few drops of food colouring to the glue and stir well. Gradually add the liquid laundry detergent to the glue. Continue adding detergent and stirring until mixture starts to come together and pull away from the sides of the bowl. Once you have the desired mixture or texture, take the slime out of the bowl and knead it with your hands until smooth and stretchy. Store in an airtight container when not used. Guys, I hope you found value in this video, and if so, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. Leave your comments below. Let us know how you're getting on, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.